Welcome back to another video here at Coyote Classics. I'm Dalton, in the cars with my father, Chad, and today we're checking out this 1964 numbers matching tri-power GTO. Really good looking car, and something you don't see every day, especially with that numbers matching 389 tri-power under the hood.
Exactly, and it's got the factory PHS documents that it is a tri-power car from the factory. And where you can tell with the PHS documents, we'll let you listen to the engine and I'll explain it to you. The motor runs great, but where you can tell is this number right here. You see the 621-331. Really it doesn't mean anything unless you have the PHS documents or the build sheet. And on that we'll have that exact number, which will tell you that this is the original block this car came with from the factory.
That's awesome.
So. And transmission, right before we bought it, the previous owner had the transmission, had a little problem with the tranny, so had that completely rebuilt as well. So motor tranny's all been rebuilt. Yeah. What do you think of the wheel treatment, D?
I like it. I like what you did there, because we haven't done those before.
I should have done it
inserts
right away. There's absolutely no reason this car has been here, right? Except for had red lines in the hubcaps, and it just didn't attract anybody. But this thing's
That's cool.
sweet.
I like it.
Engine paint, bottom of the hood paint, fender paint, all looks good. It's originally a white car. They did a nice job on the flat black as well. Really the frame and everything's all flat black. It's got the factory body tag on it yet.
And these 64s are so neat. I love the front end on them. They're a lot different than the 7s and 6s.
Exactly, and 64 GTO is, a lot of people say, the first muscle car. I mean, some people argue with it and say 60 Impalas, or just everyone has their own opinion, but my opinion is that 64 GTO is really the first muscle car. Back of the hood lines up beautiful. I love the scoops. The front bumper is excellent shape. The grill's nice as well. Make sure you go to our website, coyoteclassics.com. Check out the undercarriage photos, check out the trunk photos, and make sure you watch this video to the end if you're interested in buying it. US mags, brand new. We did go ahead and went with a 17 on here. How I'd classify this paint and body is a very nice local car show quality car. Not a trailer queen, but a beautiful driver. And I've drove this one before, and it's just sweet going down the road. Back bumper's in excellent shape as well. All the original trim here. So there is a few little pits in the trim, but for as old as it is, it looks great. Behind the rear wheel's nice. And really, it's a white car, but all in all, it's pretty straight. Back glass has a few little micro scratches in it. Top of the back seat, back shelf looks excellent. And again, this is the two-door hardtop version. You could get this in a post, hardtop or convertible. Door rubbers are good. Corner of the door here's had a little bit of work to it. Door panels, excellent. Seats, excellent. The padded dash is good. Has one little scratch right there in the padded dash. Other than that, the paint on the dash looks great. Wood grain steering wheel. And Dalton, this one has a tilt wheel as well.
Yeah, very nice. Yeah, the interior on it's gorgeous.
Really nice silver headliner. Looks original, gray. Dome light works. And the previous owner stated that the interior was original in this as well. But if you look at this. Kind of shows. See it? Definitely could be. Carpet shows a little age too. Just a little bit. As we go over the wheel wells, we do have a chip paint here. No rust, obviously. It's right to the primer, but there is a scratch right there. Bottom of the quarter, door, all looks good. Lower fender. Back of the hood lines up good. Really a good gap from top to bottom here as well. The biggest thing is both doors have had some work at the bottom corners. That's the worst part I can see about the whole entire car, but as far as chips and stuff like that, it's a nice car, ain't it?
And for what this thing is, it's priced really well. Numbers matching tri-power GTO. first GTO, you know, maybe in 64.
Yeah. Again, driver's side seats in excellent shape as well. Carpet is older, but still very presentable. So what the previous owner did state when we bought it, 79,049 miles, he said was original. Motor and tranny obviously is the original, been all rebuilt. Heater, fan works good.
And she inspired me.
That's crazy. Original AM radio works?
Yeah.
To vote for her.
Yeah, it's definitely
It's an original car. Wipers work good.
Headliner's original too. I think that's neat. Is that
Yep.
the original headliner with the little
It
like
is.
stars on there? That's
Yeah,
sweet.
it is. It's got
Yeah.
the little Pontiac original factory mirror aftermarket.
That's really cool. These are cool cars.
It's a nice car. Like I said, it's just a nice, and you're gonna know after we drive it. Remember the first time we took this for a spin?
Yeah.
We had this thing
That-
going down the road about 90, I think.
Tri-power was tuned in well.
Yeah. Gas gauge works.
That's another cool one we're gonna be checking out after this.
Yeah,
Little-
XL. So every single thing works except for the clock on this GTO. And again, like I said, tilt wheel is awful nice. Now, it's not a 4-speed, it's not a buckets, or it is buckets, but it doesn't have factory console. This is exactly how it came. Bucket seats, column shift, and that's, you know, and it's a real PHS documented goat.
Yeah, it's spinning them there. Man, that's awesome. That sound of those three 2-barrel carburetors kicking in.
This thing, man, people have been missing the boat on this, and it's my fault. I should have, who would have thought that factory wheels wouldn't sell on a 64 GTO, but they didn't.
Yeah, I don't know. It looks, it's a damn good car.
It's a good car, and now it's a better looking car.
Yeah.
So 79,000 miles, again, everything works, tuned properly.
This is what still kind of blows my mind.
Do it personally.
This is what the sound I like to hear. 60 mile an hour, 70. Shifted into second at 80 mile an hour. Look at this, 90.
Awesome.
This car is fantastic.
Yeah, it is. It is, it is.
This is an absolute no excuse, beautiful car.
We didn't even look at the little goodies in here
I
yet.
didn't. You want me to open it up
That
for
looks
you?
like it's probably, I'm guessing that's some touch-up paint maybe, but
Yeah.
it still has the, watch the road.
You got a jacket, you want to put that on. It's got the factory embroidered GTO deal. Ooh, you like that. Whatever happened to your GTO jacket?
That, I think somebody, that went with the car that bought it. Guy really wanted it. Here's, factory.
So this here, Hilton, where's that at? What town, what state is that, bro? This thing.
No.
Well, it does, but I can't read that curse.
Oh,
Michigan or?
yeah.
We got it out of Colorado, so.
I don't know. They don't teach cursive in school anymore.
They don't. I'll tell you, this has got a beautiful idle as we come around here. Speaker, front rear speaker. Brakes are awesome.
That's awesome. First, yeah,
Yeah,
it's a muscle car.
got
Really good
75
shift.
mile an hour it shifts into second. Now we're at 90. There's no wind noise. There's no nothing for a hardtop, is there?
No, it's a great car. Good car. Check it out on the website, coyoteclassics.com. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.